We all dream of financial freedom, yet so many never reach it. Ever wondered why? Costly mistakes quietly drain wealth before people even realize it. If you're serious about building wealth, avoiding these 7 pitfalls is a must. Let's dive in. Spending more than you earn. The number one mistake? Living beyond your means. It doesn't matter how much money you make. If you spend more than you earn, you'll always struggle. The wealthy prioritize financial discipline over instant gratification. Warren Buffett once said, "If you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you need." Imagine a young professional making $80,000 a year, but spending $90,000. They drive a luxury car, dine at expensive restaurants, and flaunt designer brands, all on credit. Fast forward 5 years, they're drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck. Now contrast that with someone earning the same amount, but saving and investing 20% of their income. That difference? It's the foundation of long-term financial security. Number 2, delaying investments. Procrastination is the enemy of wealth. If you're not investing, you're missing out on the magic of compound interest, the force that turns small sums into fortunes over time. Here's a scenario. If you invest just $500 a month starting at age 25 with an 8% annual return, by 65, you'll have over $1.3 million. But if you wait until 35, you'll have only about $585,000. The earlier you start, the easier wealth building becomes. Whether it's index funds, real estate, or starting a side business, small, consistent investments today mean big financial wins tomorrow. Number 3, relying on a single income source. One paycheck is not financial security, it's financial vulnerability. What happens if that paycheck stops? The wealthy don't depend on just one income stream, they create multiple. Think about Elon Musk. Before Tesla, he co-founded PayPal. Before that, Zip2. Successful people diversify. Even if you have a stable job, consider additional income sources, freelancing, investing, real estate, or an online business. The internet has opened endless opportunities, but only those who seize them truly achieve financial independence. Number 4, lack of financial education. There's no instruction manual for money, but financial education is the next best thing. Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, famously said, "The single most powerful asset we all have is our mind. If it is trained well, it can create enormous wealth." Imagine 2 friends, both earning $100,000 a year. One spends weekends learning about investments, the stock market, and tax strategies. The other watches Netflix and Instagram reels for hours. Fast forward a decade, one owns multiple assets. The other, still stuck in the same job, struggling financially and living a mediocre life. The difference? Knowledge. Make learning about money a priority. Number 5, playing it too safe. Risk isn't the enemy, ignorance is. Many people fear investing, but they don't fear the slow death of their wealth due to inflation. A $100 bill today won't buy the same things it did a decade ago. Keeping all your money in a savings account is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. Smart investors take calculated risks, learning about markets, starting small, and growing their risk appetite over time. As Warren Buffett puts it, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. The sooner you start making your money work for you, the better. Number 6, underestimating the power of networking. Your network is your net worth. Opportunities rarely come from isolation. Think about this. Bill Gates and Warren Buffett met at a dinner party. That one meeting? A lifelong financial alliance. Let's say you're an entrepreneur. One introduction at a networking event could land you a game-changing business deal. The wealthy don't wait for connections to happen. They build them. They seek mentors, surround themselves with people who challenge and elevate them, and create environments where opportunities naturally flow. Now ask yourself, who's in your circle? Are they helping you grow or keeping you stagnant? Success is often about who you know, as much as what you know. Number 7, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. The desire for fast money often leads to financial disaster. Studies show that 70% of lottery winners go broke within just a few years. Why? Because they never learned how to manage wealth. Take the 2008 financial crisis. Millions lost everything because they chased risky investments without understanding them. And today, we're seeing a similar pattern. In the past year, we've witnessed massive market corrections. People rushed into overhyped stocks, crypto, and speculative assets at their peaks, only to watch their portfolios crash by 50%, 60%, even 90%, all because they wanted quick profits instead of long-term stability. The biggest financial mistakes stem from greed, trying to shortcut the process. But here's the truth. Real wealth takes time, patience, and consistency. Instead of chasing overnight riches, focus on sustainable strategies. Remember, the tortoise beats the hare in the real world too. So there you have it, 7 mistakes that quietly destroy wealth. But remember, success isn't just about making money, it's about keeping it and making it grow. Now that you know what to avoid, it's time to take action. Drop a comment below. Which mistake have you been making? And more importantly, what's your plan to fix it? If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more wealth-building strategies. Let's keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving towards financial freedom.